How can the Election Commission take upon itself the task of disenfranchising somebody from the electoral process or in the electoral role when otherwise the person is a stakeholder of that area and for all practical purposes is a resident of that area, enjoying all the benefits of the state in that area. So the exercise that really should be done or needs to be done is, if at all, is a citizenship verification exercise by the Home Ministry under the Citizenship Act. And if they are able to do that exercise conclusively and find that there are people who are illegally living in an area, who are not citizens of this country, and it, mind you, the onus is on the Home Ministry to prove that a person is not a citizen. So if they are able to prove that, then there should be a follow-up action in the form of deportation. That person should no longer be living in that area. As long as he lives in that area, as long as he enjoys the benefit of the schemes of the government, as long as he uses the civic infrastructure of the government, there is no justification for the Election Commission to say that I will say that you are not a rightful voter in this area and you should not have a right to vote. So I think Election Commission is mixing up its role as far as the citizenship is concerned and trying to get into an area which is purely not their domain. They, under Article 329, although the Election Commission may have plenary powers, but the plenary power has to be utilized within the mandate of the Election Commission, which is of holding a free and fair election. And while holding, now what the Election Commission should be doing is to curb money in politics. They are not doing at all anything, because today what is happening as far as black money is concerned, the only avenue for 100% black money being consumed for your personal accomplishment is in the electoral field. Because even if you want to buy property, at least 10-20%, even where property is being sold with a high amount of black money, even then 10-20% white money will be required. But in the electoral field, 100% black money can be used and people are getting elected. So Election Commission, which is supposed to be doing something very drastic on money being used in politics, is doing nothing about it and getting into these areas which clearly they do not have. So I think this is something which the Election Commission should introspect